Deadlocks here again, and today we're doing another random handcuff escape. I think this is round 4, and this time we're doing Southampton Lockpicking Club's challenge, which was to be cuffed with a random set of handcuffs behind my back with the keyways facing up and escape. So this is Deadlocks. Would you like to pick a random set of cuffs?
I will, but I wanna search you.
Why?
Because you're cheating.
Not cheating.
You're a cheater. Pocket lint.
Two bags.
Why is there pocket lint in your pocket?
That's why I keep my pocket lint.
Inhaler and
Rubbish.
sweetie wrappers, get off it, whatever that is. Get off it. You didn't get anything. Trying to find something that wasn't there. Dog treat.
Yeah, squishy dog treat.
Squishy dog treat and phone pocket. Put the pants up because you're gonna flash. Socks. Arms up!
I won't be cut behind my back, I'm not reaching up there, am I?
Well, you might. Okay, the last time you cheated.
I didn't cheat.
You cheated. Okay, turn around. I'm gonna pick some cuffs. No, you have to turn around and close your eyes. Oh, Jesus. What happened there? Because you're being annoying and getting into people's feet. You turnip, you're fine. Okay. Are you trying to be on camera? They can't see you. Right. I'm going to go for these ones. Which are these ones.
Hello.
Yep. Oh, the reason I couldn't find the hole. I'd already pushed it in.
That would do it.
Now you're stuck.
Well,
You can't even cheat.
to be honest,
Shut up. It's ice cream, Mum.
there was a minimal amount of cuffs that actually worked for this challenge, so it's not exactly difficult for us to figure out what these are. These are the high speed cuffs.
Whatever. Shoot face.
But it wasn't really hard to figure that one out. What is hard is getting the cuffs off now that they're on us.
You leave the ice cream man alone, you monster. You're stuck forever.
Not stuck forever.
Forever.
Might be stuck for a while.
Forever. Because I'm not going to let you out.
Southampton Lockpicking Club did come up with a good challenge.
Because you can't get out. Because you haven't got keys. And you want no way of escaping.
Oh, puppy.
Come here, puppy. Why?
Right. Backwards because it's behind your back. So yeah. There is one little thing I would like to say about this escape.
What? What? No! That's cheating!
Unfortunately, my tactic of escape in this, I have been sworn to secrecy.
By who?
It is
It's a banana.
It's a technique that has been passed down from generation to generation.
Generation to generation.
Over the internet.
Over the internet.
To the people in the north. But unfortunately, I have been sworn to secrecy, so sorry I won't be showing you how I did that. But yeah.
Because you cheated.
It's not cheating.
You cheated. If you can't show me how you did it, you cheated.
I can show you how I did it, but I can't show the internet how I did it.
It's just cheating.
Anyway, that's all from us. Thanks for watching.
See you next time. Bye.
Puppy who's... that's my mouth. Get out my mouth. No.
Puppy.
I don't want to lose my false... There we go.